Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, now I am making the video for the members who are completing their 12th with BYPC group. So after completing of 12th BYPC, if you are choosing your higher education, you may get many doubts which field you have to choose for your best career. So to remove this confusion of choosing the correct field, I have chosen 9 best fields. If you want, you can check one of that and you can choose and you can get success in your life. So friends, before starting video, my small request is that try to watch the video until the last, and if you like the video, click on the thumb button and try to share the video, and finally subscribe my channel. So friends, let's start the video. Friends, after completing of 12th BYPC, we have 2 fields. One is for studying for government jobs, another is for doing higher education. So if you are doing or if you are choosing the higher education, I brought you 9 fields. That is starting from MBBS and ending with biotechnology. So in this total video, I will say about the field name and the duration for the field and its entrance exam. So let's start with the MBBS. So we know the MBBS is the top listening branch after the BYPC of Inter. So MBBS means it is Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Here the duration is 5.5 years. Next, the BHMS, it is Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. It is the duration for 5.5 years. And BAMS, it is the Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. It is also 5.5 years. Next, B Pharmacy. The B Pharmacy, it is Bachelor of Pharmacy and the duration for this is 4 years. Coming to BDS, it is Bachelor of Dental Surgery and the duration for this BDS is 5 years. Friends, after BDS we have BPT. So BPT means Bachelor of Physiotherapy and the duration for BPT is 5 years. Next, BSc. BSc means Bachelor of Science and the duration for this is 3 years. In BSc we have many fields. In that we can choose agriculture, forestry, next horticulture. Coming to BUMS, it is Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery. The duration for this is 5.5 years. At last, the biotechnology. It is engineering field, friends. That is biotechnology deals with total technology where about the life. Next, the duration for this is 4 years. Next, coming to entrance exam, the entrance exam will be varying for each field. So previously there used to be the aims and new updated they have given this total authority to complete for the NEET. So what is AIMS? That is All India Institute of Medical Science. So it made the NEET as mandatory from 2020 for MBBS and MDS. So let's check that one. So NEET means what? So why we have to write the NEET? NEET means it is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test. And through this NEET exam, you can get eligible for MBBS, BHMS, BAMS, next B Pharmacy, BDS, BUMS. So friends, whatever the blue marks I have kept, it is the all compulsory to write the NEET exam. And B Pharmacy, it is the extra one, no need for this B Pharmacy writing of NEET. Next, many more courses are there where you can join them by writing the NEET. So if you write the NEET, you can get the seats in the government colleges. So it is a good option to write the NEET. If you won't get the seat for the NEET exam, then you can choose other fields like B Pharmacy we have and BSA also we have. So let's check. In our local we have that is TS MSET and AP MSET. So MSET, that is Engineering, Agriculture and Medical Common Entrance Test. So through this we can get the seats that is in the courses like B Pharmacy and BPT Biotechnology. Why I have made this marking means previous it used to be the exam for these branches, but as the NEET is made mandatory for all the exams of the above given one, it is removed, that is BAMS, BHMS and BUMS for MSET. Though you are writing MSET, you are not eligible for these courses, that is BAMS, BHMS and BUMS. You have to write compulsory NEET for these 3 circle branches. And B Pharmacy, BPT, Biotech, you can join this with MCET exams, both, that is AP and Telangana. Both states MCET can be written and you can get the courses in the B Pharmacy, BPT and Biotechnology. Later, so some of the courses are there without NEET and without MCET you can join, that is BSc, BPT, B Pharmacy. So coming to BSc, it is 3 years course and generally we can see it is in degree. So as it is in degree, you can join in the colleges by your merit in the 12th. Next, there is no entrance test. Next, coming to BPT, the colleges may keep the entrance test according to their colleges. Next, B Pharmacy also same. So the B Pharmacy also, the colleges, if you are choosing B Pharmacy, they will choose their college admission test. If you get success in the test, then you are eligible for that colleges with B Pharmacy course. So friends, these are the list, and once again I will repeat, see the starting with MBBS, BHMS, BAMS and B Pharmacy, BDS, BPT, BSc, BUMS, Biotechnology. So these are the top groups. After completing of your 12th BPC you can join, and the duration also I already said. Next friends, I already made the video for the completed members with 12th MPC. I will give the videos link in the description. Try to check the video. If you like the video of this both BPC and MPC, try to share the video and try to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.